Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 200 SMA on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top left. Click on it. At the search bar, type moving average. Choose this one, click on it. Now, as you can see, we have here our SMA, but you have to change it to the 200 SMA. So go to MA here, click on these three dots and click on settings. Go to input and change length to 200 and click on OK. Now this is our 200 SMA, as you can see. Now let's refresh it like this, as you can see. Now, if you didn't like this color, you can change it. Click on it, click on these three dots and click on settings. Go to style, color blue, and you can choose any color. So I will choose, for example, red. And for the thickness, I will choose this one. Click on it and click on OK. And as you can see, this is our 200 SMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.